nandito tayo sa market. Sama na si Mama. Yan, binigyan ng flowers. Kakataas na namin kumain.
Sa surprise flower nyo. At busog ako.
Ay, okay sa vlog namin, guys. Ay naman kayo.
Busog-busog ang mga kalahok.
Mga kauban.
Hey. Ito daw yung unang-una niyang vlog. So, try namin kung gagana. Hey. Ginagawa mo. Sabihin mo, saan tayo pupunta?
We're going to BGC. I don't know where in BGC. I think Starbucks na naman yun.
Ayun, sarap dun sa
Use this
Starbucks.
one after eating.
We're going to Starbucks.
Kape.
Kape.
How it is real.
You know. Yeah, that's why.
Alam mo, guys.
After eating.
Wala tayong magagawa, mahal mo na. Full.
Loaded. My stomach is loaded. Yeah.
Ito ba yung unang vlog mo?
No. It's not first time.
Maraming beses na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Many times. I don't know when. Because
Because of the gravity of the earth.
I'm getting old.
Old
I'm
na.
starting on.
You're spoken dollar, tita.
I'm starting on vlog when I was I think
You're spoken dollars na. Oh.
I think
You know?
I think you're a fan.
37. Yeah. When
Mama,
when my parents
Oo, that Korean ka tita kasi kumain ka hotpot.
yeah.
Wala ko sa'yo.
When my parents
Alala.
Wait, ano ba sa'yo?
Manasay. Japan pala. Paano mo nakuha yan?
Matabi doon.
Paano mo nakuha yan sa loob ng bag ko yan?
Ay, wag kayo makulit. Pre, nasan ka, pre? Hinahanap ka namin.
Karamin.
No.
What happened to you, my nephew?
What happened to my
What happened to you? Your stomach is loaded?
Stomach is gone. Stomach is gone.
What happened to you? We're looking to us. We're looking for us. Where's Erwin? Where's Erwin?
So guys, pupunta kami ng
Your...
punta kami Starbucks. Mag-iinom lang kami ng kape.
Right now, we're going to Starbucks at a BGC.
Kakasabi nga lang.
Let's go!
Sige na, pasok ka na sa kotse.
Your